So now that we have our map saved, if you go to maps, you'll see that we actually got two new files. So one is the map file, and if you click just on the name, you can easily rename it if you want. But the next one is build data file. So this is automatically generated Unreal Engine file that will build your scene. So how Unreal works is it has things that it pre-builds before the game, so you don't have to do everything real time. So it's things like lighting, reflection capture, or visibility, and things like that. Also geometry, and this data is collected right here. And if you click File, New Level, and let's click on the default level, you will see that our level is replaced. So you can't have multiple levels opened in Unreal, but you can open one or the other. So if I double click on the new map, you'll see that the new map is open, and up here we can see the name of our map and showing that it is now active.